Hi everybody, it's Haley with HaleyOnTheFlare.com, and I have a very important question for you guys today. Have you ever thought about staying off the strip in Las Vegas? So I'm first going to show you my stay here at the Red Rock. We're going to do some room tours, show you some great eateries, and then I'm going to give you my overview at the end. The VIP area has its own elevators. Okay, so we're at the Lucky Penny, and this is the first stop. They're just finishing our room. We got here super early. If you're here before check-in time, know that you may wait. And that's with any hotel. Don't be rude, just wait and go get something to eat. So Lucky Penny is the 24-hour option here at Red Rock. They have breakfasty items, regular meal items, lots to choose from.
Thank you.
Those look great. Jeffrey, can you believe these taquitos? I've never seen taquitos served like this. These are legit. Okay. Oh my God. Jeffrey.
They're really good.
They're so crunchy. I could never have like freezer taquitos again.
Thank you.
Wow, Jeffrey, look at that. That looks great. Oh my goodness. Guys, look how oozy and melty this cheese is.
It is prime rib.
That prime rib looks so good. It has great color. Give us the tea. How is it?
Very tender. Cheese and grilled onions, mushrooms.
Jeffrey forgot the horseradish. What a noob. Like, is there a delicate way to eat big sandwiches like these? This is so good. There's so many different kinds of cheese. You guys, this room, I'm so thankful. I wasn't even expecting a suite. Oh my God. All right, so this is right when you walk in. There's a wet bar. Jeff's in the closet. Little dining room area. Jeff stopped opening doors, so I just paused the video. There's a half bath here. Then we come over, we have a sectional with a big, huge flat screen TV. You guys have to see this pool though. Look at this pool. Like, I cannot get over how beautiful this property is. All right, about face. Now we're going into the bedroom, which is beautiful as well, with those big floor-to-ceiling windows and my widow robe over there. 2 closets on each side of the doorway, but this bathroom, I cannot wait to hop into that tub. So you have dual vanities, jetted tub, bathroom toilet is in there, beautiful shower. Jeff looks so thrilled. He's running from the camera. But yeah, here she is. So Jeff just found out that the TV has everything from the in-room dining menu to all the information about the venues here on property. Pretty cool. First, let me give you a quick lay of the land. They have this beautiful lobby. The VIP services are to the left. You have this gorgeous bar where you can get amazing drinks. This property has over 10 different eateries. They have a variety of sit down. They have a variety of quick service restaurants. There's 2 Starbucks, an Annie M's, a juice bar. There's a buffet. It's not open right now, but there's plenty of bars to choose from. This Italian restaurant we'll get to later. There's also a movie theater. There's a bowling area. Really anything you can think of. And if you do like the gaming side, there's Keno, poker, machines, tables, you name it. And of course, bingo. You cannot go wrong. And the best part, they also have a kids area. We just finished shooting a ton of video, and now we came down to the Onyx Bar for pre-dinner cocktails because it's right across from Tbone's where we're having dinner. So we made it to dinner at Tbone. So we're sitting by this beautiful fire, courtesy of this lovely glow here. And we are trying to decide what to order. Just like almost every place else here in Vegas, you're gonna see QR codes, just like, I should probably have had it in my hand ready to go for you guys, just like this. And the bread is warm. So we opted for a few appetizers. We had the crab cakes, the oysters, and the jumbo shrimp cocktail. First up, we have the crab cakes. Like already they're just, it's all real crab first off, and they're just so warm and they cut so nicely and just, first off, I love crab cakes. I get crab cakes Benedict. I love crab cakes. I've had them in places that are known for crab cakes. This right here is the best crab cake I've ever had in my life. Hands down. What do you think of the crab cakes?
They're phenomenal. I mean,
so good.
Crab in them.
So good.
It's so good.
Guys, I'm having a moment. Why is everything here like so freaking good? The oysters and the horseradish. It's hot, it's spicy. Guys, what are your thoughts on the oysters?
Amazing. The sauces.
Just so good.
And this little thing for the lemon that keeps all the little seeds inside of it.
Groundbreaking, Jeffrey.
Great.
So Vegas is not really by the ocean, obviously. Where do they keep finding like shrimp that are as big as my face? So we're done with appetizers now, and you guys, like, 100 out of 10. Like,
The best appetizer we've had in Vegas.
Best appetizers we've had in Vegas. No question about it. All right, so I got the Wagyu American style, not Japanese. I'm not that rich. Strip loin. We got the puree roasted garlic potatoes, the sauteed mushrooms. Jeff had to get mac and cheese. And there is Jeff's ribeye. So first off, that took one slice to cut. All right, dry aged ribeye. Do you hate it, Jeff?
Oh my God. The flavor. Phenomenal. Best steak we've had. Actually, it's probably the best thing I've ever had.
Wow. So I've never had Wagyu. And I think this is hard to follow Jeffrey, but oh, and this is Jeffrey's first time trying any form of Wagyu. Like, it's so different. It's really good. And now it's time to gamble a little bit. So Jeff just got off of that machine and lost. And this girl hit some bonus. We're waiting to see what it is. Ah. Jeffrey, are you sad that you didn't get a bonus on that machine?
Alright.
So the gaming floor is huge, and there's a bar right in the middle. There's a buffet that is closed right now. This is next to where we ate lunch at Lucky Penny. This place is huge. Now it looks like we might have stepped into a fairy tale because, I mean, it's beautiful. This is Crimson and Bloom. This is a pop-up bar. It changes seasonally. But oh my gosh, if you guys can make this during the springtime, it is so beautiful. It is going through May. All the cocktails are handcrafted. They are simply delicious. They have a huge menu, which you can actually find on my Instagram. There's a DJ. And everything is spaced out so nicely so you can kind of get your dance on in a safe environment. What's even more amazing about this space is that it's not just indoors. There's a beautiful outdoor feature. You can also rent the cabanas, private booths, and during the summer, this outdoor pool area turns into a complete party scene. Good morning, guys. Just finished shooting this beautiful breakfast spread. And now I have some early access to go take pictures of the pool. And then after that, I'm gonna take you guys on my little spa day journey. Just finished shooting pictures. Now it's spa time. So I made it into the spa treatment room, and now it's time to get naked and felt up. In a good way, though. I mean, it's always a good way, right? So I just finished the spa experience, and oh my God. They have their own pool area, and they were nice enough to set us up with our own kind of like little cabana thing after our treatments. You guys, this place is amazing. It's so beautiful. I haven't done my face yet, so no judging. But I had this massage with a coconut oil scalp treatment and a Swedish massage. Amazing. How was your massage? Great. And they have size-inclusive robes, which is fantastic. That does not ever happen. And there's a pool attendant out here. She came and set up our chairs. She put a towel over there for Jeff. I mean, guys. This is a spa. And you get access to the pool area at the spa for up to 2 hours after your treatment. This salad is so good. All right, we made it to our last dinner. It's Asteria Fiorella. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And then we have our red eye tonight. So I think the highlight of my trip is sitting here waiting for dinner. Jeff pointed to this one machine and said, I think this machine's calling my name. And literally as he said that, some woman came and sat down in it. And she hasn't stopped winning money. Jeffrey, how do you feel?
Bullshit.
She's literally won $100 in bonuses. So this is inside Asteria Fiorella. We ordered the meatballs, salad. The bread was great. This burrata salad was chef's kiss, and the octopus was amazing. And I gotta say, my cacio e pepe is the best that I've had outside of Italy. And that says a lot. Isn't this place gorgeous? We absolutely fell in love with it. Even though we were hosted for this particular stay, I can't say enough nice things about it. The food's great, the staff is great, the accommodations, the hotel and the casino are so clean, and there's really great options if you're doing a couples getaway, a solo getaway, a girls weekend, or even a family trip. I have a full post down here with more details and photos that you guys have to see about this place. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments and let me know if you would want to stay here. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.